We're very excited to be in the new clean room here at Xtera. It's almost ready for production. We're setting it up at the moment and equipping it with test equipment and assembly equipment, and it should be ready and operational within the next month or so.
The new facility means that we as Xtera are now, if you want, getting our hands dirty. And for us, being lean is one thing, but what's more important than being lean is being agile. And that's why we decided to invest in manufacturing infrastructure and personnel, and we now have this facility.